Watch this video and learn how to draw 1, 2, 3 popsicles.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you happy? What should we draw today?
Artie doesn't know. No.
How about popsicles?
Yeah, okay.
You
yes,
love
please.
popsicles.
Yes, please.
Okay, go and get some paper.
Yeah.
You
okay,
go and
okay.
get it. Good boy.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Are you ready to make
I see
some
you've got
art?
your paper. Are you ready? Let's draw some popsicles.
Yeah. Yay.
It's always so exciting before Artie begins.
I know. Let's go.
Be sure to follow along at home, little artists. Let's start with a straight line on the left side of the page and another straight line on the right side. It's going to be a yummy popsicle. Now, let's connect those two lines with a curve, a sort of upside down U, starting on the left and then joining on the right.
Wow, this is amazing.
Well, it will be when we're finished, Mikey. A little curve on the left and a little curve on the right. And let's connect those two curves together with a straight line all the way across. Now we have the body of our first popsicle. Let's draw the stick. A straight line on the left.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for that tip, Louie. Now, back to the popsicle stick. Two straight lines and a little curve at the bottom connecting them. Time to draw another popsicle on the right side of the page. Two straight lines again, but this time let's make them a little bit shorter. Then we're going to do an angled curve on the left and an angled curve on the right and join them together with a little tiny curve at the top. That's great, Artie.
Isn't this great,
That's
Mikey?
exactly what I just said, Betty. It's great. Okay, let's do two little curves at the bottom and then connect them with a straight line, just like we did on the first popsicle. Now, what's next? That's right, the popsicle stick. Two straight lines down and connect them together with a U shape, little curved U shape at the bottom. Very good, Artie. Now we're going to draw popsicle number 3 on the left side. Same kind of thing, two straight lines down, but this one we're going to do a slightly different shape at the top. More of a sort of flat top.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey.
Me too.
Me too,
Betty.
guys. Okay, come on, let's finish this third popsicle. Two little curves, just like we've done before, and then connect them together with a straight line across the bottom. What's next, Artie? That's right, the popsicle stick. Two straight lines down at the bottom, and then a little curve connecting them. Great job. Dance break. Okay, you can have a dance break.
Oh, sorry. Well, beautiful. Just beautiful. 10, of course. 10.
Another 10, Artie. Well done. Come on, let's go back to the drawing. let's draw two little eyes inside our left popsicle. A circle, and then do another circle right next to that one, about the same size. That's it. And now let's do two pupils inside the circles. Just two little dark black circles. That's good. Another one on the right, Artie. There we go. Now he can see us. Let's draw some little eyebrows above the eyes. That's right. He looks very funny. How about a mouth? Nice big smiley mouth. Shade in the inside black. Some little lines on the left and right side. And now he has a mouth. Now for the middle popsicle, let's draw an oval-shaped eye. That's right, Artie. A nice oval. And then another one on the right. Squashed into the left one. That's it. Now, some pupils, of course. Little black dot in the middle. And another one on the right. And a smiley mouth. Big curve. And a lower curve. Shaded in black. You're doing great.
I think he's doing great.
Okay, for the right popsicle, let's do two smaller circles so that this one has smaller eyes. You see, we're trying to make each popsicle have its own character. So let's try and make the eyes different for all three. Little dots in the middle for pupils. One on the right. And now all three of our popsicles can see us. Hello, popsicles. Hi. Artie's getting carried away singing his theme song. Let's do some teeth, Artie, on this popsicle. A line at the top, a curved line at the bottom for the tongue, and shade in the middle black. Now let's make each of our popsicles look a little bit different from the other. So the one on the left will do a line across horizontally, and another line below. That makes a stripe. The middle popsicle, let's just do one line right through the middle, but at an angle. And then our popsicle on the right, let's do a line on the right side. That's right, all the way down. And then a bottom line from the left across. There you go. And then a little curve to connect them. Now all three popsicles look different. You finished?
That looks amazing.
So incredible!
You're finished? It came out so good, Artie. I love the colours you chose. The pink and the blue, the yellow, even a brown. Problem is, now I think I need a popsicle. We should go and get one.
That turned out fabulous!
It really did.
Bye-bye.